Mabuhay! Welcome to Travel Expo 2025, and we are your tour guide for today's trip, and also we will be your
storyteller, photographer,
and bestie for only once. So my dear tourists, we were going to explore the Region 10 or the Northern Mindanao. So my dear tourists, are you ready? If you're ready, say Arat na!
Arat na!
Welcome to Region 10. Please come in. Why should tourists choose this?
For me, I believe tourists would choose our booth because it has a unique design and we also have our best delicacies.
If you were to invite a tourist, what attraction would you invite them, or what attraction did you want to experience them?
If I would invite a tourist, I would like to bring them in the Bukidnon Criminal Ranch. It is labeled as a Little New Zealand of Bukidnon. As you can see, we have a picture here at the back, and it is really amazing. The landscape of the place is breathtaking.
Okay, thank you. So much for visiting the beautiful Region 10. I hope your tour has given you not only a wonderful sight to remember, but also a deep appreciation of our culture, tradition, and the people. As we end of our journey, you may experience you made here can inspire you to explore more, discover more, and return again to the beautiful Region 10. Thank you so much, and mabuhay!